Hello everyone, I'm going to tell you why you should be using the cloud in your digital transformation and innovation so you can move faster, cheaper, and get better results. Hello, I am Patrick Miller. I'm a digital business specialist and you are in the right place if you want unconventional advice to make it happen. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to know when I upload a new video. Are you ready to make it happen? For companies who are starting their digital transformation journey or experimenting with digital innovation, the cloud is an enabler delivering flexibility and speed so businesses can focus on transformation. Traditionally, companies would leverage their legacy infrastructure and teams to get started. This good intention decision can actually increase cost, slow you down, and limit your options. The cloud is more than just cheaper computing and storage. It facilitates starting small and scaling fast, experimenting with different solutions, and delivers valuable experience. The challenge is the cloud represents a new way of working. For an innovation project, we decided to go cloud from day one. I will provide some of my key learnings so you can make a more informed decision. Number one, ease of getting started. It is super easy to get started. For our project, we decided to go with Amazon Web Services. Instead of evaluating and signing long-term agreements, setting up the account took minutes. Instead of buying servers and installing operating software, we rented capacity and performed setup in a few clicks. Later, we needed some additional functionality and found AWS had service offerings that fit our needs. Again, with a few clicks, we were off to the races. The point is, all this routine stuff has been done a million times. Amazon has simply automated the routine and created administration tools to make it super simple to get going. Number two, no investment and low commitment are major benefits. Instead of buying equipment sized to your future expectations, you rent capacity you need to start. No time spent analyzing, preparing CapEx requests, explaining, and sometimes begging for money. Instead of investing, you are renting. Instead of buying assets you feel compelled to leverage in the future, you're renting the output, computing capacity and services. Because pricing is based on usage, the commitment is limited and you can stop at any time. This is super powerful with experimentation. Long-term commitment is the adversary of experimentation. The ability to try something new, easily and without lock-in, fosters creativity and exploration, which you will absolutely need for your digital transformation and innovation. Number three, breadth of services. Amazon and other cloud providers offer more than just infrastructure. They offer a suite of tools you can use as scaffolding to build your own solutions. For example, with AWS, besides their DevOps offerings, you have analytics, virtual reality, blockchain, customer engagement, game tech, Internet of Things, machine learning, robotics, and satellite, just to name a few. You can tap into these and explore and experiment. Get first-hand experience with their core capabilities and, more importantly, the limitations. This is far better than attending seminars regurgitating the wonders of the latest buzzwords. Businesses using cloud are free to take more risks and gain real experience faster. Number four, scalability. Scalability is probably one of the better known but often overlooked qualities of cloud-based setup. It is super easy to add capacity when needed. The big players have massive infrastructure and you have access to all this computing and storage resources when you need them. You can do this manually using the admin interface or leverage their auto-scaling and elastic load balancing. And you can do this at a low level of granularity. For example, if you have a single table or a single web service that is under heavy load, you can increase the computing resources for just that table or just that service. Number five, cloud solution provider. Companies engaging in digital transformation and developing digital innovation are themselves cloud service providers. Let me explain. If your digital initiatives provide digital solutions to your customers and business ecosystem, you are effectively a cloud solution provider to them. As IDC stated, almost every enterprise will be a cloud service provider of innovative services to its own marketplace, making cloud capability not just an IT issue, but also a core business operations issue. I know this concept is a little fuzzy and intangible, but it is an important one to grasp early. Before you can be an effective cloud solution provider, you need to be an experienced cloud solution user. Experience and mindset are important. Those are some of my key takeaways from my personal experience so far. Easy to get started, no upfront investment, limited commitment, and loads of cloud services, scalability, and most importantly, experience. What is your experience? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to hear. Do you have questions? Want to get started or accelerate your progress? We work with companies struggling with digital transformation and innovation, building a game plan, assembling a winning team, increasing technology flexibility, or prototyping new ideas. Contact us today to get started. Ask a question and I will get back as soon as possible. Remember to subscribe so you don't miss anything and share with colleagues who may find this useful. Thank you so much for watching. Now let's go make it happen.